Welcome to the Trading with Trend Core Mentorship Series. This is going to be a 100% free 4-episode series that covers everything from choosing your pair, to understanding risk, to identifying a trend, to finally learning how to trade that trend successfully. We are going to walk you through everything that you need to know to successfully identify and scalp trends. Our goal here at Trading with Trend is to be able to teach any new trader to trade profitably from A to Z, all within this series. We have custom coded our own trend detection indicator that anyone in this course can use. When you get to episode 3, you will find the instructions on how to download this indicator. In addition to the indicator, we have one strategy that we have handcrafted for our beginner traders to use to start scalping. The free strategy is based around simple trend pullbacks. We're looking for the price to move counter trend for a little bit, where we can purchase it at either a cheaper or higher price and then sell it at either a higher or lower price. We go into the very details of this in episode 4. So make sure you watch all 4 episodes and read the PDF to make sure you have a firm grasp on the strategy. The final thing I want to cover in this first video of our mentorship series is understanding how to use our Discord. If you've just joined the Discord and you're watching this video, all you should be able to see is free training, open discussion, and the training voice chat. What you need to do is go through all of these videos and the PDF and mark these little fire emojis. When you get to this final rules message and you click this uptrend emoji, it will grant you access to the trader role. Once you have access to the trader role, a few more channels will open, such as the announcements channel, the scammer alert channel, and the premium meerkat strategy category, which will have a few channels underneath it like wins, overview, and backtest. It's important to note that from the date of filming this video to when you're watching it, the Discord may have slightly changed, but this is always going to be the basics. To recap that one more time, when you first join our Discord, you need to watch all of our training videos and mark these little fire emojis. Once you've marked all of the fire emojis and this little uptrend emoji, you will then gain access to the rest of the server. Once you are in the server, all there is to see is the training videos, the announcements channel, the open discussion where you can chat with our fellow traders, and our training voice chat where we hold our weekly free live trainings. If you want to learn more about our exact method that we trade every single day, check out the Meerkat. It's our premium group, and within that group, you'll get 4 more training videos as well as our custom coded indicator and a handheld step-by-step guide to trade just like Jimbo and I. I hope you guys enjoyed this first video and understand now what Trading with Trend is all about. It's all about helping you guys become successful trend scalpers. We want to see you guys become profitable, and most of our content is 100% free. Every single day, there's multiple people in our Discord that live trade, and we hope that you become one of them. We really appreciate all of you guys joining and interacting with our community, and I hope that each and every single one of you become a profitable trader. Enjoy the rest of your day or night, and happy trading.